Welcome back to Universal Biography Home, the home of amazing cricket stories. I'm your host, and today we have an exciting video for all the cricket enthusiasts out there. In this episode, we'll explore the top 10 fast bowlers in the history of international cricket. So, fasten your seatbelts and get ready for an exhilarating ride. Before we start counting down the top 10 fast bowlers, let's take a quick look at what makes fast bowling such an integral part of the game. Fast bowlers are renowned for the deadly pace, menacing bounces, and ability to swing the ball. They are often hailed as the backbone of any bowling attack. 10. Shane Bond 156.4 km/h. Fast, fearsome and yet frustratingly fragile, Bond will be remembered as much for his injury misfortunes as his wonderful ability. Unfortunately, he missed more games than he played. Bond took 87 Test wickets, 147 in ODIs and 25 in T20s. His fastest ball was clocked at 156.4 km/h during the 2003 World Cup. 9. Mohammad Sami 156.4 km/h. Sami joins his compatriot Akhtar on this list. He burst onto the scene taking a 5-for on Test debut against New Zealand. He followed that up with a hat-trick in only his third Test when Pakistan played Sri Lanka. Sami went on to take 85 Test, 121 ODI and 21 T20I wickets. His fastest delivery was bowled at 156.4 km/h against Zimbabwe in 2003. 8. Mitchell Johnson 156.8 km/h. Statistically, Johnson ranks as a genuine fast bowling great of Australian cricket, with his fastest delivery coming against England in 2013. He took 313 Test wickets, 239 in ODIs and 38 in T20s. Not only was he a prolific paceman but could wield the willow, too, scoring a century and 11 50s in his Test career. 7. Fidel Edwards 157.7 km/h. Next on the list is another West Indian. Paceman Edwards took 165 wickets in Test cricket and 60 ODI wickets in a career that started when Brian Lara spotted him in the nets. His fastest delivery of 157.7 km/h was bowled against South Africa back in 2003. 6. Andy Roberts 159.5 km/h. Sir Andy Roberts is a former West Indian fast bowler, and a very good one to boot. He took 7 wickets in an innings on 2 occasions. Roberts' haul includes 202 Test and 87 ODI wickets during his career. Known for delivering 2 kinds of bounces, his fastest ball was clocked at 159.5 km/h. 5. Mitch Starc 160.4 km/h. If you thought it's time for a different nationality, think again. Another Aussie in Mitch Starc. The left-arm paceman helped Australia lift the World Cup in 2015. He has taken 244 Test wickets, 178 in ODIs and 43 in T20 is since his debut in 2010. He clocked his fastest delivery at 160.4 km per hour. 4. Jeff Thomson 160.6 km per hour. Surprise, surprise, another Australian. What are they feeding these Aussies? Thomson clocked the speed gun at 160.6 km per hour. He took 200 wickets in tests and 55 in ODIs 1972 and 1985. He also took 675 wickets in first-class cricket playing for Middlesex and New South Wales. The Australian Cricket Board inducted Thomson into their Hall of Fame in 2016. 3. Sean Tate 161.1 km per hour. Another Australian comes in at number 3. Tate bowled his fastest delivery of 161.1 km per hour against England. Mostly known for his ODI performances, Tate took 62 wickets in his active ODI career from 2005 to 2016. 2. Brett Lee 161.1 km per hour. Former Australia quick Brett Lee was a thorn in the side of many a batsman, taking 310 Test, 280 ODI and 487 first-class wickets. He helped Australia win World Cups in 2003 and in 2007. His fastest delivery of 161.1 km per hour, 100.1 miles per hour, came against New Zealand in Napier back in 2005. 1. Shoaib Akhtar 161.3 km per hour. Akhtar is regarded as the fastest bowler in the history of the game. He set the official world record by bowling the fastest delivery of 161.3 km per hour against England at the 2003 World Cup. He took 178 Test wickets and 247 wickets in ODIs, in a career that spanned between 1997 and 2011. And there you have it, our countdown of the top 10 fast bowlers in international cricket history. Each of these remarkable individuals brought their own unique flair and skill to the game, leaving an indelible mark on the sport. Let us know in the comments which bowler is your personal favorite, or if you think someone from this esteemed list has been overlooked. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you next time with more thrilling cricket tales on Universal Biography Home.